Okay, I will explain here how I added the simulation of the GPS. First, uh, I made a mistake. I make a link between these two links. It's not a mistake. I thought that it would be better to get those links enabled between them. So for the GPS, quick recap, we use vector models. Here, vector models, where is vector models? Okay, vector Gazebo. Here we use the vector Gazebo plugins. Next, when you build the vector Gazebo plugins inside the lib, the GPS plugin. Next, and next to add to the simulation, I use the MTK3339 from Adafruit. Let's see here. Is I thought I used this model, but in reality you want to build this one because it's quick and easy to use. And also we have here from GragCAD the model. So I download the model, convert to STL, and import it to Gazebo. So for the URDF, we are using this URDF. So the URDF is pretty simple. It has a visual. We got the mesh file. It's pretty straightforward, and the collision is the same size of the box of the GPS. And also we get an inertia macro to calculate it separately. We also add the plugin. Here is the plugin include file. And if we check the Gazebo part, as this is the GPS plugin. It's pretty simple. Use, as I told you, lib vector Gazebo ROS. And here is a topic, and this here is a reference link. Obviously, it's inside the reference link is in the robot. That's why we put the reference link here. And just to launch it, okay, I launch it. Let's just start again, just to keep it clean. Here. Okay, we launched the simulation. We are more interested in Gazebo. Here above we can see here is the IMU, and here is the GPS. And then if we get the topic list of our terminal, we get here is the GPS topic. And if we echo that topic, we will see the information of the GPS. So practically that's all. I didn't measure if the GPS is changing. I just loaded the plugin, and we'll check later how it changed. If I move, it will change or not, or probably the reference link is not very well implemented. I don't know, but at least right now you have very basic knowledge on how to include a GPS plugin on your model. That's all. Thanks.